Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a tutorial for Kantata for beginners. How to use Kantata for project and resources management. Before diving into Kantata, familiarize yourself with its main features. Project management. Create and manage projects with task tracking, timelines, and dependencies. Resource management. Allocate team members based on skills, availability, and workload. Time and expense tracking, log time entries and expenses for projects, collaboration tools, use communication features for team collaboration, reporting and insight, generate reports for project performance and resource utilization. Now setting up your workspace. Log in and explore, log into Cantata using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, menus, and layout. Now navigate to the settings section, set up company preferences like time zones, bill rates, and user roles. To add a team members, go to People, Add User, assign roles such as Project Manager, Resource Manager, or Team Member. Enter their details. Now to create a new project, go to Projects, Create New Project, enter project details, name, start and end dates, and budgets. Define tasks and milestones. Navigate to the project's task tracker. Add tasks with descriptions, due dates, and assign team members. Create milestones to track major project deliverables. Set dependencies. Link tasks to establish dependencies. Fourth is manage resources. View resource availability. Navigate to the resource center. View team members' availability and workloads using the resource heat map. Go to the project's resource planner, drag and drop team members onto tasks based on availability and skills. Now to set allocation, specify the percentage of time or hours a resource will dedicate to each task. Now track time and expenses. Team members can go to the time and expense section. They can enter hours work for specific tasks or projects. Now for tracking expenses. Record project-related expenses. You can upload receipts and categorize expenses. Now on monitoring project progress. You can view project dashboard. Access real-time insights about project status, budgets, and timelines. You can check task completion rates and milestone statuses. Analyze resource utilization. Use the resource center to identify over or underutilized team members. You can adjust assignments as needed to balance the workloads. Now on Generate Reports, go to the Report section to create and customize report. On Collaborating with the team, use the activity feed, post updates, share files, and communicate with the team on specific or on project-specific feeds. You can integrate with other tools, sync Kantata with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, or Salesforce for seamless collaboration. Lastly, closing a project. Review deliverables. Ensure all tasks and milestones are completed. To archive the project, move completed projects to the archive for record keeping and analysis. Now for the analysis performance. Use the reports feature to review project outcomes, resource efficiency, and financial performance so you can analyze it. And that's basically it.